So there's a mushroom, sliced mushroom, sausage. There's all my ingredients. Armando spaghetti all nero di spia. And so this is it. I've all the water with oil and salt. And this noodles is black noodles. This al negro, something like that. So I'm gonna use this cheese, creamy cheese. This is my first time I use this cream cheese spread. And we have this all ingredients: cream eaten cheese or garlic, sausages, or mushroom, cream cheese again, and this all that I'm gonna use for my cooking. It's very simple. Just what you get, what you have in your kitchen. And this is the one right here. So I'm gonna just use only the garlic. So in this part, so I add the cream cheese and the garlic, as you see, and then I will add a little bit of water here. So it looks like the one, and I mix it thoroughly. Yeah, mix mo lang siya ng mabuti. Ang hirap pala mag-English, no? Susubayaan nyo na ako. Mag-practice lang ako nito. So, ayan, i-mix mo lang siya hanggang maging sticky. Yun yung ginawa ko. Mas masarap siya pag maraming garlic. Hinaan mo lang yung apoy. And then, mix it like that thoroughly. It becomes sticky. And then drop something like, if you want more ground pepper, and mix it in the I added already the mushrooms. There you go. Mix it lang na mabuti. Mix until it will be like that. And then I added cheese there. Like, look at that, I add cheese. Cheesy. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna add the noodles. I add the black noodles in here. Look at that. Oh, this is kind of new for me because this is black noodles. Mostly I use like white noodles, the normal spaghetti noodles. So this is the one that I'm making. So I'm not a pro. Excuses for that again. And yeah, it's time to taste this. No, I'm just joking. It's time to try. So what it tastes like. And that's the final. So you can add a lot of cheese if you want, or any that you gonna add in the top. So it will be more like yummier for you, or not, it will be good too. Because cream cheese is very like good in taste. Cream cheese. And there you go, that's the final. Let's eat. So I add a cheese in the top, and I let them to try what it tastes like. Here we go. Kain tayo. Tara, tikman natin.